Introducing my first love on this channel. I'm just a baby. This face is eating. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Z. I've dropped about 2 videos on YouTube and I just realized that I haven't properly done an introduction video. So you're going to be getting ready with me in this video. I'm going to be doing my makeup in this video and just a little get to know me type of video basically. So in this video I'll be talking more about me, an introduction to my YouTube channel, what I do, what I like, what I don't like, why I decided to start YouTube 2026. So let's get right into the video. I've prepped my skin and I'm just going to get right into doing the makeup and talking about myself. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Motunrayo Fadekemi Fakorede Benny, Omo Yoruba ni mi. People know me as Z. If you ask me, where did I get Z from, right? I got Z actually from a nickname. My family members mostly called me Tunes from Motunrayo, from Tunrayo, Tunes. Like that was my nickname. So people also called me Tunzi. So I love the Z at the back of Tunzi and I just decided to, take it up as a nickname. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to be Z from now on. It's not that deep. It's not that serious. I'm from Ondo State. I studied in Ondo Town. I grew up in Ondo Town. I did my secondary school in Ondo Town. I went to university. I went to Federal University of Technology, Akure, in Ondo State. Yeah, primary school, secondary school, university, everything was in Ondo State. What else? Why do I feel like I'm stuck? I studied engineering in school. I did electrical engineering in uni. I don't like anything related to blood. So while growing up, I knew that I didn't want to go into science, microbiology, medicine, no. So I loved, I wouldn't say I loved math, but I just said, you know what, let's do engineering. So I studied electrical engineering. That's that. So I've been creating content for a little over, how many years now? I think I've been creating content for about 7 years now. Yeah, I've always loved makeup, right from when I was in uni, right from when I was in school. You know when you go meet your parents and you're like, mommy, daddy, please, I love makeup, I want to do makeup. Then my dad was like, makeup, someone studying electrical engineering in school? No, you're not going to do that. If at all you're going to do it, it's going to be after school. And this was around, I think, 300 level in school. That was around what year? I think 2015, 2016. Yeah, I was so sad. I was like, oh my god. But you know what, I still went to the back. I was always watching these YouTube videos. I was like, I just want to learn how to do my makeup. And I always wanted to create content even when I was in school, but I didn't have the facilities. What phone was I even using? I can't remember what phone I was using, but it was a lot. I just knew that I love makeup. I didn't even know that I was going to do content because content wasn't even as popular as content is now. Would you even believe that in school, I even started doing nails for people because I was so intrigued. I loved everything beauty. I just wanted to be in the beauty space. It wasn't really about the money for me. It wasn't really about the profit. I felt like I was living an accomplished life. It made meaning, kind of. I felt like I was doing something that I really loved. So that's why I just kept going. So in 500 level, I went for an upgrade class, just to sharpen up my skills, because prior to that time I had not even learned makeup like physically. I always learned like on YouTube and just practicing on myself. So in 2019 I went for my service year and that's when it struck me and I told myself, you know what, just start doing your content, show up on Instagram and just see where that goes. And when I tell you that I saved my alawi for how many months? Because I think it was my set. I think 2 months to when I was passing out was when they increased Copper's payment from 18,000 to 33,000. So I saved up and I got an iPhone 8 Plus. I started on Instagram and I grew over the years. I remember growing on Instagram and getting my first 1,000 followers. I was super excited. I was like, oh my god, it was such a great milestone for me because I didn't even think that I was going to get 1,000 followers on Instagram. And then I continued to grow and grow and grow and grow and grow, which brings me to why I started YouTube. So like I said, I've been a content creator for so long, but it gets to a point. By the time I even started creating content on Instagram, I wasn't creating content on YouTube. For some reason, I don't even know. I didn't have any preference, but I think I just felt safe with Instagram because I was growing rapidly on Instagram. I had good engagement, everything was going smoothly. So I guess I never thought to, extend to other platforms. But over the years, Instagram became really difficult. I found myself getting overwhelmed. I wasn't really enjoying Instagram. Well, I wasn't really enjoying creating content the way I used to enjoy creating content because it became overwhelming. By the time I post a content and it's not doing well, I was always beating myself up. Why is my content not doing well? People hate me. It was just really a lot for me. At some point, I felt like I wasn't giving value. I did so many makeup tutorials. I tried to be consistent, but it just felt like I wasn't doing enough. And to top it all, it's not like brand deals were not coming. Brand deals were coming, but I just didn't really feel that fulfillment of doing more. I guess I just really wanted more. And I mean more in the sense that I felt like I was supposed to give out more. I don't know if you understand where I'm coming from, but I felt like Instagram wasn't giving me the platform to give more. So I just thought about it and I was like, you know what? I think I need to start a YouTube channel. Meanwhile, I started a YouTube channel 2023. I remember speaking with my friend, Jay, and Jay was just, I told her, I was like, I want to start a YouTube channel. And she was really encouraging me. She was like, just start. It might be overwhelming at first because YouTube is really difficult to grow. And by the way, thank you for 500 subscribers. Yay! Oh my God. How did I even forget to mention that since? So by the time I started this YouTube channel in 2023, I was like, you know what? I'm just going to continue posting shorts because even at the time, I was like, I'm just going to repurpose my content on Instagram to new audience on YouTube. But I always had this, urge in me. I was like, I really need to do long form content. I feel like I can connect with people because sometimes I just find myself talking to myself. Maybe the way my page was structured, that it's majorly me doing makeup, just overlaying music on top of it. So it felt like I wasn't really connecting with people. So I needed a platform to connect, to give value. Because honestly, I don't want to be remembered for, oh, she was just doing Instagram videos. I really wanted to impact lives. When I was growing up, if anybody asked me like, what do you think is going to be like your greatest achievement, maybe before you die or something, before you leave this world, I'm always like, I want to make an impact. And it felt like I wasn't really making enough impact on Instagram. 2025 came and I told myself that I really wanted to push myself on YouTube because it felt like a new journey for me. Like, I feel like it's going to give me that drive to say, oh, I'm actually starting afresh, and I really want to start afresh. So that's why I said, you know what, 2026, I'm going to put out content on YouTube. Honestly, at this point, I can't really say if I'm going to experience burnout on YouTube, at least anytime soon. Even this past few weeks, a little 100 views, I'm like, oh my God, I'm so excited. But it's not the same on Instagram. I'm always like, oh my God, why am I not getting so many views? But like, I'm so excited to start this new journey with you guys. Now, let's talk about what we're going to be doing on this channel. So I recently moved to Canada from Nigeria, and I'm just basically going to be doing vlogs of how I'm going to be navigating my life here, just as a newly moved resident. So I'm going to be putting out vlogs, day in my life, week in my life, Canada living. Besides that, I'm also going to be introducing my first love on this channel, which is makeup, of course. So I'm going to be doing in-depth makeup tutorials on this channel. And you know, another reason why I actually opened this YouTube channel is really I just want people to experience me for who I am. Honestly, when I meet a lot of people, sometimes they're like, I had a wrong first impression of you. You're so goofy, you're so playful. I feel like Instagram is so serious. Like everybody just wants to go there, post and just leave, right? But I want to connect with you guys. I want to create a community. Oh, I'm shy. And something else I'm going to introduce into this channel is fragrances. I love fragrances. So I don't know how I'm going to incorporate it into my content yet, but definitely I'm going to add fragrance content to my content. So makeup tutorials, skincare if need be, because I've been on an old skincare journey my whole life. If you know me or if you've been following me on Instagram for a while, you would know that I struggled with my skin 2023, I think 2023 to 2024. Yeah, 2023 to 2024, I had a terrible skin, but I've been able to get it to some point now. So maybe skincare videos, but definitely makeup tutorials, definitely vlogs and fragrance content. If there's any other content you'd like to see as well, do let me know in the comment section. Honestly, I just want to grow as a person because I feel like YouTube gives you the avenue for growth, endurance, for you to just know that you're making an impact somewhere. And the fact that when you push your videos to YouTube, anyone can search anytime and see your video. It's always going to have meaning, you know? So let's say, for example, I put out a video today, the best lip tutorial for black women. Black women keep searching for that tutorial. It keeps giving them value even over the years, right? I won't say the same for other platforms, maybe TikTok, but Instagram, not so sure. With all my years of content creation, I needed to advance to some level, and I feel like YouTube is advancing to some level. It's giving me like a boost. I don't want to say my career, you know, would I really consider it a career? Maybe I want to consider it a career. I want people to be like, I learned how to do my makeup from Z. That's how I want to advance. Even when I put out a video last week and people were like, oh, this is the best vlog I've seen in a while. I was so happy. Going forward, I don't know how my content plan is going to be, because filming this video now, if I'm being honest with you, I forgot to film an intro video for this channel. My first video for this channel was my relocation vlog. So I had not done any introduction video. Anyways, what else is there to know about me? I'm a very goofy person. I might not come off as goofy, but honestly, I'm a very goofy person. I'm easy to be around. I love smiling. I smile a lot, but sometimes I can frown. So I'm always like, sometimes people tell me that first impressions, most times I always like, oh, she's unapproachable. Her face is she's always frowning, but on the inside, I'm just a soft girl. I'm just a baby. So let's do a quick recap, because I feel like I've said quite a lot. My name is Motunrayo Fadikemi, and honestly, I love to be addressed as either Z or Fadikemi. I'm 28 years old. I'll be 28 this year. And what else? I just relocated to Canada from Nigeria to navigate life, starting afresh. Studied electrical engineering in school, and currently I'm looking to change career path to project management. I don't know how that is going to go, but I'm sure if you watched my vlogs, you would have seen that I was preparing for my PMP exam. Then the reason why I opened this channel was just to create a community and also give value to my subscribers. I don't just want to be known for creating short form videos. I wanted to do like a long form video kind of thing. Yeah, so I pray that, I don't just hope, I pray that this journey is going to be a good journey, and I'm super grateful for everybody on my channel so far. I don't know if I've done justice to this introduction video. Honestly, I just sat down and said I wanted to do an introduction video. I was just saying things from the top of my head. As it was coming to me, I was just saying it. So let me just kind of finish my makeup and I'll come back. Now with my makeup, look how that turned out. Yeah, that's why I said we're going to be doing makeup tutorials 2026. If you don't know how to do your makeup 2026, sit on this channel and tell me what you want to know. I will be so glad to film any makeup tutorial, lip tutorials, eye makeup tutorials, face tutorials, base routines, anything. I'm your girl. This face is eating. Meanwhile, there's something I forgot to tell you guys. I'm actually a K-drama girly. Yes, I love K-drama a lot. It helps me relax. I'm not sure I'm going to be talking about that on this channel. I'm not sure I've gotten to that level yet. I forget names a lot, so a lot of these actors and actresses, I love them, I know them, but I don't know their names. If you've come this far, thank you so much. I hope you were able to get some insight on me, why I opened this YouTube channel, and the kind of content I'm going to be putting out on this channel. I feel like YouTube is really going to change my mindset as to you know, being able to be committed to something, grow, put yourself out there even when you are not seeing the numbers. Maybe it's just 20 views that this video is even going to get. I don't even know. But anyways, I'm so excited to be here on YouTube, and I hope that if you're seeing this video, you're going to open out your arms and welcome me to YouTube. I'm really hopeful that 2026 is going to be a good year for all of us, and I'm super excited. I have so much in store. God is going to use me on this channel for you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.